Hey YouTube, I got another how-to quick fix thing here. My seat belt, pretty draggy. Won't quite pull back up all the way. But my seat belt is greasy and filthy from working in grease and stuff so much. Some hot water. Alright, got me a bucket of hot water going. We got me some good old OxyClean here. Just putting a little bit in there. But I got really hot water. What we're going to do is stick that seat belt in there and soak it a little while. Then we're going to agitate it. And we're going to soak it again. Say hi to my Bronco. That's on another video. But I'm getting there. Fixing to put it all back together. Alright, take that filthy seat belt and stick it in that hot water. Oh yeah, you can already see it's coming off in there. Because it's filthy. Get your sponge, get your water up on that thing and get it wet, let it soak that grease in there. Then we'll, like I said, we're gonna do it a couple times. I'll show you the results and the difference in it when you're done. Get your sponge with the scrubby on the end of it. Put in that hot water. Get that grease out of it. It's already coming out. I can just see it dripping off of it. You gotta agitate it. It's gonna be the main thing. Get in there with some degreaser, some soap, real hot water. If you're doing it in a bucket like I am, just do it on the side of the bucket. My buckle is just horrible. But we're gonna take care of that too. A lot of what's causing my seatbelt to be so slow is this grease. More fresh water. All right, we got fresh, hot, soapy water. And this thing is soaked in degreaser some more. We're gonna let her soak and we're gonna agitate it some more. Let me try to raise that up a little bit so I can get more of it in there. All right, I raised it up with another milk crate and a bucket. I'm gonna agitate it some more. Got me a good brush here. Be sure to use plenty of degreaser, lots of soap, and hot water. If that water starts getting cool, change it out. Get real hot water, because that's what's going to help melt that grease. I've dealt with grease all my life. That's the best thing to knock it out. And keep hitting at it. In a minute, I'm going to go get my carpet cleaner, and it's got an attachment on it that will help clean that thing out. But you may not have that, but it's okay. Don't worry about it. Just scrub it. Get as much as you can get out with scrubbing it with a stiff bristle brush, or get a sponge with a scrubby on the end of it. Use lots of degreaser, and it's coming out. I tell you, it's coming out. So now, if you want to turbocharge the grease melting off that seat belt, you can do what I did. I don't believe it's going to hurt anything, but you can use your own judgment and go with that. But I used oven cleaner. I put oven cleaner all over my belt, let it soak for 5 minutes, and did the same thing. Put it in hot water, scrubbed it really good with a hard bristle brush, and it even takes even more of the grease out of it. So you can try that if you want as well. Like I said, my truck's 12 years old. I've used it for a long time. I've worked out of my truck. I've not shown it the care it needs, but this seat belt's driving me nuts. I can't get it to work, and it's filthy dirty, so I decided to tear into it. But this is going to fix my problem. But to get it clean, just do the things I've shown you, and I believe you're going to take care of the problem of your seat belt not rolling back up. All right, seatbelt is definitely coming out good and clean. She's wet, that's why the discoloration, but I'm fixing to shampoo my carpets and vacuum out the inside, and I'm gonna repair that seat here, probably in another video. I've already got the cover for it, and I'm gonna repair that. I may even do a video on that. So I went and got my trusty dusty rug doctor here. I use this thing to clean the carpets in my house. We have cleaned many a car with this. This thing's a Haas heavy duty. I've had it for years, and it's got the upholstery attachment to it. So I'm gonna hook that thing up, put some hot water in it, some degreaser, and we're gonna clean these seat belts one more time before I shampoo my carpets. But this should help get a lot of stuff out of it. Whatever's left may come out with this. Hook this thing down with some degreaser. Flip it over, the other side. I believe we're good. So just to go back over, get some hot water, get a bucket, some degreaser, some OxyClean, some detergent soap. Soak that seat belt in there. Get that grease melted. Get it melted first. Get it hot. Then get a hold of it with an agitator, which is a hard bristle brush. Put it in that bucket. Do just what I did. Go up and down on it. And I believe you're going to see quite a bit. All right, when you're done, take your rag, a dry rag, go over that thing and just wipe your seat belt down really good with the rag and pull as much water as you can out of it. Dry it up, but it's pretty hot here today. We're gonna leave it open, let it go, but but I can pull this thing out now, and she pops all the way right back. Straight back. This thing has not worked this good in quite a few years. Boom. She snaps right back. And it was just the grease. So clean your seatbelt up if your seatbelt's not coming back, snapping back like you want it to. Check see how dirty it is. But do the steps I did and you're gonna fix your seatbelt. I guarantee you. So I hope that helped. If you found any value in this, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be doing more oddball stuff to try to help folks out. Be sure you get a Diet Dr. Pepper from McDonald's. and crunch on your apple. Those things help too. So, till next video, hope that helped. Take care. Thank you very much.